Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Amy Rose from Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Amy Rose, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and we're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then up here. Kind of at an angle almost, a little smiley face. Next, we're going to curve this up and down. And then we're going to curve this line up and down. Now, I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and I'm going to make a small oval for her nose. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes out of each side. Next, we'll make a line that comes off of each end. And then we'll just connect these lines up here. Now I'm going to curve a line down, and then we'll curve a line down here. Bring them in a little bit more, and I'll just make like a little smiley face shape right here. Next, we'll make like an actual smile. And a little line that's just going to go down and up. Next, I'm going to make a nice, tall, skinny oval inside of the eyes. And I'm going to color in most of that, leaving just a little bit white. Now, let's make this area a little bit darker right here. Kind of shows where like her eyelashes are going to be. So we're going to do that same thing. Just kind of make this area a little darker. Then we're going to make her long eyelashes coming out of here. We'll put 2 on each side. So just like some long eyelashes. Now let's make her hair. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down to a point and come back. We'll make another one that curves to a point and comes back. And one more that curves to a point and comes back. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a little line over and a little line over. Then we're going to go up to a point and down for her ear. Same thing, up to a point and then down. Then we're going to put a small triangle shape inside of each one for her ears. Then I'm going to curve this line down and back up. And then we'll bring this line to about here because we have some more detail to add. Now, underneath here, let's make a little smiley face shape for her neck. Then we'll curve a line down. And then we're going to curve a line down here. Next, we're going to bring a line here. And then we're going to go down and then up for her dress. And then we'll bring it back. We're just going to basically draw that same shape one more time for like the bottom of her dress. Now for her arm over here, let's just make a line that's just going to come down. Then we're going to come up. We'll go down and just basically draw that same shape again. Now for her bracelet, let's just make a nice big like C shape. And we'll just put a little curve on there. Next, for her hands, let's bring this line up and down. Then we'll just kind of loop this line around to here. We'll do another one here, and then a small one here, and we're just going to bring this back. Now for this arm, we're going to come out a little bit, and we're just going to go down. make a little line, and we're going to bring this up. Then we're going to loop this around. Then for this hand, let's draw the thumb. Let's kind of curve this around and come up. Then for her fingers, let's bring this out and then back. Do one here a little shorter, and then one here and connect. Now, before we do the legs, let's kind of finish off this hair. So we can kind of bring this hair down to here. We'll make it kind of poke out down here and come up. We'll bring this up. And then we'll add another one here. Now let's make the legs. So starting here, we're just going to go down, and a little curve. We're going to bring this out and down, then just connect it. We'll bring this line down. We'll curve this down, come around, and then back up for her boot. Then we'll do that same thing, just bring this around. Then we'll curve this up and up to here. Same thing, curve it and then go straight up. Let's make this boot over here. So we'll start the leg. We're going to go down and over this time. We'll make that curve again. And then we'll go down and then connect to here. We'll bring this over, bring it over, and then connect. We'll bring this line here. And then we're going to curve this line around. Next, we're going to come down and just connect this. And we'll kind of just outline this area here for the bottom of her boot. Next, we'll just draw a stripe here, and we'll draw a stripe here. Now, the one final thing we want to do is she's got like a little bit of like a headband on here. So let's just draw a line that curves up, and it's going to come around here, and then down to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Amy Rose. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.